Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Jura Impresa S9 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the grinder, the one that you see right here, this one. And we also replaced the water tank. This is the older tank of the machine. This is the newer tank of the machine. So yeah, that's all what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out, then we're gonna use a little bit of hot water and then the steam. Right now we're in the medium settings of the machine. That was pre-infusion, and here comes the rest. Now I'm gonna manually stop this as this button is already pre-programmed for a bigger cup than this one. But as you can see, we got a nice cup of coffee with really good crema and excellent color coming out of the machine. Hot water the machine as well, as you can see. Nice steady stream coming out, looking really good, and really good temperature. Now for the steam, we're gonna wait for the machine to heat up, and then we're gonna be able to activate the steam one. We do not have the hose, so it's going to shoot a little bit through there, but as you can see, steaming perfectly fine, working really great. And just to clear that message of the filled beans, I'm going to put some more beans in there, and it came out. And there you have it, Jura Impresa S9 working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.